So today we're going to be going through an overview of the main fluids found under the hood. First we're going to be checking the oil, the antifreeze, the windshield wiper fluid, and power steering fluid. Here you have where your coolant goes. The coolant is what regulates the engine temperature. You can usually find it by looking on the caps and seeing a small thermometer. How you can tell if you need more is that usually on the side there's minimum and maximum lines, and you can tell how much you have. So, here we have the oil dipstick. The oil dipstick is usually orange so you can find it easier. First, before you take any readings, always wipe it down to make sure you get an accurate reading. Then you put it back in, take it back out, and as you can see right here, this car has a good amount of oil because it is up to the maximum line. Here we have where the windshield wiper fluid goes. You can usually tell because it's blue and it has a little windshield wiper icon on it. You can put as much as you want in here, it doesn't really matter. Just fill it up to the top and you'll be good.
Next up, I'm going to show you how to change a tire. We're going to be using a lug wrench and a jack to do the job. Alright, so we have the jack propped up and we're going to put it on the frame of the car. Under most cars there will be kind of a outward spot so you don't wreck the frame, and that'll be a safe place for you to put the jack on. Alright, now we're going to remove all of the lug nuts from the tire so we can remove the tire and put the spare on. Alright, now we can take out the tire, put it aside. Alright, here's our pretend new tire. We're going to make sure we place it on. Alright, next up we're going to show you how to jumpstart a dead battery. For demonstration purposes, this black car is going to be the dead car, and then this is going to be the rescuing car that has a working battery.
Alright, so for this demonstration, this is going to be our booster car. Here we have our black cable, which is a negative current, and our red one, which is a positive current, and you just put them with their respective sign. So the black goes to the negative, and then the red goes to the positive. That's basically it.
Alright, now here we have the dead car. What we're going to do is we're going to put the battery, or we're going to put the positive red one onto the dead battery. You want to make sure you get it right on the terminal so that the charge can really come in contact well with it. But it's different on the dead battery. You're going to put the negative, the black one, somewhere else on the engine block. So I'm going to set it right over here. This is really important or else you can really mess something up. So make sure it's on there really good. And that's it.
Alright, so once you have the cables connected correctly, what you want to do is you want to start the engine of the booster car and leave it running for a couple minutes, or like 5 minutes tops. And then once you start the dead battery, you leave it running for like 5 minutes, and then you're good to go.